previous times. It is like this. From this side, it is connected to the laptop, and here is its antenna that helps it to gain the network. But in nowadays, the Wi-Fi that are used in laptop are like these small chips that are inbuilt in the Wi-Fi. And these are the CD players that were used to record the data. But now nowadays, like by evolution, these are the used. These are hard drives. But nowadays, hard drives like these are used. They are very fast and small in size.
So these all components go on the motherboard. This is a small one, but nowadays they come in a very big size, larger than this, because this one cannot fit a hard disk like this. Thank you.
वेरी गुड बच्चे, आप तो कंप्यूटर असेंबल करना सीख गए हो, है ना?
There are three types of personalities like ego, id and superego. Id is that works on the principle of pleasure that the people desire they have, and it ignores moral values. So in superego it works on the it works on moral principle, which is like ethics and moral that we give to everyone. And ego is that it balances id and superego, which works on the reality principle. Now she will explain the situation of this model.
So sir, suppose these stores depict the situation of a kid who wants to eat an ice cream but he is having cough right now. So if the id of the kid will increase, then the desire of his to eat an ice cream will also increase no matter what. So as we know, ego is working on reality principle and balances both id and superego. So ego will tell him the further consequences that if he does this act, he may get punished in future. Eat an ice cream or not, so that the feelings in him to get punished like fear and anxiety will also get dismissed, and he will know that he is doing right and not doing anything wrong. He is working on morals and ethics. So this is the psychology works.
ये बहुत ज़रूरी है आज के समाज में, मतलब
पर्सनालिटी पता होना
पर्सनालिटी
चाहिए।
डेवलपमेंट का एक तरीका है, और बच्चों को अपने बारे में पता चलेगा इससे। बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ बनाई है बेटा। अच्छा, क्या कर रहे हो आप, क्या बनाया है?
Desert habitat. This is a model of desert habitat. You can see sand dunes and a mountain, which are common in desert. In this dry and hot place, animals can live like snakes, camels, lions, etc. live. Camel is known as the sheep of the desert, can go for a long time without water. Lions find shade under the tree or a tree. Snakes live in burrow to feel safe and cool. Camels has thick stem to more absorb water in this dry climate.
वेरी हाँ जी, आप क्या बना रहे हो?
These are some models of different types of landforms. Landforms are naturally occurring features of the earth. They are formed due to geological processes like erosion, deposition and tectonic activity. Landforms can take various types including mountains, valleys, rivers, plains and so on. These are the geographical features of India. In the north, there are the Himalayas, that are the highlands. They extend from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. The northern plains are the fertile lands that include three major rivers, Ganga, Indus and Brahmaputra. The Deccan Plateau is a large plateau that is in central and southern India. Beside the mainlands, there are two groups of islands, Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Thank you.
जोर से बोलो बेटा।
Good morning, ma'am. These are the models of geographical features of India. Geographically, India has a variety of landscape and its culture. Besides India, the two groups of islands, Arabian Sea, the Lakshadweep Islands, and the Andaman and Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. The coastal plains are along the peninsular India, and the southern plateau lies in the south, and the Thar Desert in the west.
शाबाश।
These are the models of landforms. As you can see, in the model of landforms, there are mountain, desert, forest, island, plain, etc. In the desert, the climate is hot, and in the forest, the climate is pleasant, and the mountain climate is cold. In the forest, there are different types of plants and trees like banyan trees, neem trees, and in the desert, there are cactus and bushy plants. In the desert, there are
animal like camels, and in the forest there are animal like wild animal like zebra, elephant, tiger, lion, etc.
शाबाश। और स्कूल्स के बच्चे भी विजिट करने शुरू हो गए हैं। हाँ जी सात्विक बेटा, क्या बना रहे हो?
Ma'am, grassland habitat. Imagine if all the tigers are killed, the number of deer would started increasing. The deer would need more food, so they will eat up all the plants. Gradually, no food left for them. Eventually, they will also die. Thus, there is a delicate imbalance in nature. If any one of them vanishes, the whole balance will be disturbed. Some of the animals who live in grass habitat are cheetahs, tiger, lions, elephants, etc. Thank you.
यस
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ
Ma'am, today I will explain you about grassland habitat. Grasslands are wide places and covered with grass, trees and plants. They are also used as grazing areas for many cattle, animals and many other species. Nowadays, they are oftenly damaged for agriculture use. So we should try to save our grassland areas. Thank you. Have a nice day.
The Andaman and Nicobar are famous for their coral reef and marine ecosystem. Thank you. Aquatic environment by their streamlined body, gills, and unique behavior. Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
These are all the models of aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat is habitat in which water organisms live. It is basically of two types. If the water is fresh, it is called freshwater habitat, for example lakes, ponds, rivers, etc. If the water is marine or salty, it is called marine habitat. Seas and oceans. Sea turtle, octopus, whales, sharks, starfish are some of the examples of living organisms in the aquatic habitat, which are adapted to live in aquatic environment by their streamlined body, gills and unique behavior. Thank you. Have a nice day.
यस कृषा।
Good morning.
कृषा कृषा ना हाँ
Yes, ma'am.
बताइए।
When we have the polar habitats, it covers the top and bottom of the planet Earth and the north and south pole. North pole is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean. There isn't any land. They are just a continuously shifting ice sheet. The parts of Canada and Greenland are near to the North Pole. The South Pole is located in the Antarctic. In this area has land, but it is completely covered with the layer of ice. It's from the top and the bottom planet of the Earth at the north and the south. It is much cold and dry to grow trees in most areas of Arctic. This place has included animals like polar bear, polar fox, whales, and many species of fish. The average winter average is around to -5 degrees Celsius. It has few trees to
ठीक है शाबाश बेटा।
Like how did the evolution happen? How are we communicating now these days? Mobile phone, right? And how did we communicate earlier? Letters. And before that?
bird messenger.
Bird messenger. Okay. Great. Which bird did we send? Which bird is this?
कबूतर
Did
जा,
you-
जा, जा।
Did you see the movies where we used to send pigeons? Right? So you should know this. This is your project, right? That was earlier we used to send pigeons, then newspaper, then letters, then radio, then telephone, then mobile phone, now FaceTime, video call, Skype, Zoom. Right? So you should be aware of all these things. Smile and enthusiastically explain. ठीक है? चलो. All the best.
क्या दिखा रहे हो बेटा?
Ma'am, this is a lamp and this is a light.
आपने पहले क्या नोटिस किया है इनमें से?
मेरे को लायन लगा था बेटे।
सो लायन आपने चूज़ किया तो उसके बेसिस पे मैं आपको 3 क्वालिटीज़ बताऊँगा।
अच्छा,
जो आपको सूट करती है अकॉर्डिंग टू जो आपने चूज़ किया है, अग्रेसिव, एक्सट्रोवर्ट एंड कन्फ्रंट ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स विद द हेल्प।
बिल्कुल सही बोला बेटा, तीनों ही बातें हैं।
मैम सो दिस इज अ पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट एंड आपको इसको ऑब्जर्व करके डिपिक्ट करना है कि आपको क्या दिख रहा है। सो मैम अकॉर्डिंग टू इट आई विल टेल योर पर्सनैलिटी।
मेरे को खरगोश दिखा।
मैम सो आपको खरगोश दिखा तो मैम आप एक इमेजिनेटिव पर्सन है, क्रिएटिव पर्सन, काइंड हो, हम्बल हो, जेनरस हो।
ये तो बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट है भाई, मैंने सोचा नहीं था। मैंने सोचा पता नहीं क्या ड्राइंग से लेके बैठे हैं। वेरी गुड। क्या नाम है इस टेस्ट का?
मैम पर्सनैलिटी
पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट। आप साइकोलॉजी स्टूडेंट्स हो?
यस मैम।